how to log into TikTok on PC using a QR code. This is a quick way to access your TikTok account without entering your password. First, open a web browser on your PC or laptop and go to TikTok.com. Click Login on the left side of the screen or in the top right corner. When the login window appears, select Use QR code. Now, open the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android phone and make sure you're already logged in. Tap Profile in the bottom right corner. On your profile, tap Share Profile icon. Your TikTok QR code will appear. Now, tap the Scan icon in the top right corner. Use the scanner to scan the QR code displayed on your computer. After scanning it, TikTok will ask you to authorize the login. Tap Confirm. That's it. TikTok will now log you into your account on your computer without requiring you to manually enter your password. This method works on both iPhone and Android, making it an easy way to log into TikTok on a PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.